Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to copy the data and store to a text file. This is same as previous video I did. So this is a list of trees, health score, number of trees, and also their names. So we have to copy them to a text file and it should print with separated commas. And also maples 1357 0.15. This is its number of trees and health score. So it should print in separated lines nearly 7. So we're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are 7 of them. So let us print then. Let us start our program. So down below I'm going to write main program. This is a global variable over here. So main program. Okay, so let us start. So here down below I'll write my file or any variables you want, but I'll most likely use meaningful ones. My file equal open, and as I say, you can name any text you want. So but here you have to do one thing, that you have to create your own folder. Only then it will create automatically, or else it will create in some other location, or sometimes it may be hidden. So that's why make sure that you create like this your own folder. Okay, so let's start. So comma tree dot text tree scores dot text, and here we're going to write w, because we're copying to the text file we have to write it. So here I will use for loop for I in range 0 comma, and I counted it is nearly 7. So here we're going to write 7 over here. But here you don't have to increment by 1, because it's just we are copying through each index. It's not to print the number of them. So my file equal my file dot write, and here you have to copy all the variables that we have initialized it, and then we're going to write square bracket I, because it's particular index, as I said. So plus str, and here number of trees, and here I plus, sorry, here you have to also put commas to separate them, so that's more easily readable, and then plus health score, and here you have to use string function every time you deal with numbers, so that you can add up health score I. So now, and here as I said, they have to also divide it into 7 names, because there are 7 of them. So here we're going to use one function, that is quotes slash n, that mainly separates and use new line. It breaks the line so that it avoids writing all the variables, all the names of these strings in the same line. Okay, so here down below, and I'll have to close the file. My file dot close. So now we will run. Okay, that's executed. Now let's open the file. Yes, it's here. Yeah, now we got our output. So this is how it's supposed to print. And here, when we use the slash n, it helped us to write all to print all the lists in this way, like this one. If we do not add the slash n, it will write all these in one line, like I'll show you. It is how. If I remove it, and let's see what will happen. Okay, it has executed, and see, it is this is how it writes, and all in one line. So that's why we use slash n over here. So plus slash n. So don't forget to put slash n if you're dealing with these lists like this. Okay, so this is our all program. So thank you guys for watching my video, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys, bye.